Canon Vixia HD Mini Compact Personal Camcorder. The Canon Vixia High Definition Mini Camcorder, in white, is designed for users looking to share their videos and photos using social media. It features a Canon f/2.8 fisheye lens with a 160 degrees viewing angle for video and a 170 degrees viewing angle for photos. The 12.8 MP high-sensitivity CMOS image sensor and DIGIC DV 4 image processor captures full HD video and up to 12 MP photos. You can choose between a wide or close-up shooting mode. Super slim, the camcorder's innovative design is perfect for bloggers and anyone who likes to share content online. Shooting is ultra-flexible and can easily be accomplished hands-free. If shooting and posting video is your thing, the all-new Vixia Mini is for you. An innovative personal camcorder designed to help you share your talents and interests with the world. The Vixia Mini is super slim and weighs approximately 5.6 ounces. Features a built-in microphone to liven and enhance your video with superb stereo sound. Get creative with a genuine Canon f/2.8 fisheye lens for ultra-wide scenes, 160 degrees video/170 degrees stills. Play with perspective, then switch to close-up mode simply by touching the screen. Capture clear images even in low light with the Canon HS SYSTEM, which combines the 12.8 megapixel high-sensitivity CMOS sensor and Canon DIGIC DV 4 image processor. Built-in Wi-Fi makes sharing on blogs and social networking sites easy. You can even shoot remotely and live stream. The tiltable 2.7-inch capacitive touch panel LCD, adjustable integrated stand and tripod socket makes self-shooting effortless. It's ready to shoot when you are, with an automatic lens cover that opens when you power on. Use it to express yourself in creative ways. Whether you like to show off your unique talents or to share your hobbies with other enthusiasts, the Vixia Mini is the camcorder you've been waiting for. Easy to use, compact, lightweight, large, clear viewing area. To purchase Canon Vixia HD Mini Compact Personal Camcorder, please visit the link in the description. For more video uploads, please subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to support this video by giving your like for this video. Please click like button below. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.